Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss the ray diagrams of all the concave mirror and convex mirror. First of all, we discussed if object is placed at infinite. As we know that the image is formed at focus, and the image is formed at a focus is a very small size, inverted, real. In the other case, of object is placed at the infinity and c, the image is formed in between the c and f, and that image is the enlarged, real or magnified. If object is placed at c, if object is placed at C, the image is always formed at the C, at the same size, real or inverted. If the object is placed in between the C and F, the image is formed beyond the C, beyond the C दोस्तों, beyond the C. Okay, if the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at, yes, infinity. If object is placed at focus, image is always formed at infinity. But if the object is placed in between the pole and focus, that image is formed behind the mirror, virtual, magnified or erect. Okay. Yeah. In this other mirrors, in the case of study, the convex mirror, if the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at a focus, virtual, erect and diminished, highly diminished. But in case of object is placed in between the infinity and the pole, the image is formed in between the pole and focus, virtual, erect and diminished. Thank you so much.